Are you a nursing student searching for the perfect laptop to keep up with classes, clinicals, and study sessions? Choosing the right laptop can make all the difference in staying organized and efficient. In this video, we're revealing the best laptops for nursing students that combine speed, portability, and reliability to help you succeed every step of the way. Ranking at number 5, we have Huidun 2025 laptop. When it comes to finding a laptop that perfectly balances power, performance, and portability, the Huidun 2025 laptop stands out as a top choice for both college students and business professionals. Featuring a 15.6-inch 4K FHD IPS display, this laptop delivers stunning visuals, vibrant colors, and sharp details that make every task, from video streaming to creating presentations, a breeze. Its quad-core N150 processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 3.6 GHz, outperforms competitors like the N95, N97, and N100, ensuring smooth multitasking, faster boot times, and seamless performance even with demanding applications. Coupled with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this laptop offers lightning-fast data access and ample storage for your projects, assignments, and media files. Another highlight of the Huidun 2025 laptop is its 100W Type-C fast charging support, allowing you to recharge quickly and get back to work without long interruptions. Whether you're attending online classes, working on spreadsheets, or enjoying casual gaming, the combination of a high-resolution display, robust processor, and large memory ensures a reliable experience. Lightweight yet durable, this laptop is designed for portability, making it ideal for students moving between classrooms or business professionals traveling between meetings. With its modern design, advanced performance, and convenient features, the Huidun 2025 laptop is truly a versatile device that meets the needs of both productivity and entertainment. Next, we have HP Flagship 14. The HP Flagship 14-inch laptop is designed for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a powerful, reliable, and versatile device for work and entertainment. With 16 GB of RAM and a total storage capacity of 1.28 TB, including a 128 GB eMMC drive, a 160 GB docking station, and 1 TB of cloud storage, this laptop ensures that you have plenty of space for your files, documents, and media while keeping everything running smoothly. Powered by an Intel 4-core processor, it delivers fast and efficient performance, making multitasking, running applications, and handling demanding workloads effortless. Its sleek silver design and compact 14-inch display make it both stylish and portable, perfect for taking to classes, meetings, or traveling. One of the standout features of the HP Flagship 14-inch laptop is the 1-year Microsoft Office 365 subscription, giving you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other essential productivity tools right out of the box. Combined with Windows 11, a high-quality webcam, and an intuitive interface, this laptop provides a seamless computing experience for both professional and personal use. Whether you are attending online classes, working on presentations, or collaborating on projects remotely, the HP Flagship 14-inch laptop offers a perfect balance of performance, storage, and convenience. Its thoughtful combination of speed, memory, and storage makes it a reliable companion for anyone looking to stay productive without compromise. Next, we have HP Flagship 14-inch laptop with 1-year Office 365. The HP Flagship 14-inch laptop is built for users who want a perfect blend of performance, storage, and productivity in a sleek, portable design. Equipped with a powerful Intel 4-core processor, this laptop handles multitasking effortlessly, making it ideal for students, professionals, and content creators alike. With 16 GB of RAM, you can run multiple applications at the same time without experiencing lag, while its massive 1.28 TB total storage, including 128 GB eMMC, 160 GB docking station, and 1 TB cloud storage, ensures you have ample space for files, projects, and media. The full HD webcam makes virtual meetings and online classes crystal clear, and Windows 11 provides a smooth, user-friendly interface for everyday tasks. In addition to its impressive hardware, The HP flagship 14-inch laptop comes with 1 year of Microsoft Office 365, giving you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more right out of the box. Its compact and stylish silver design makes it perfect for on-the-go productivity, whether you are commuting, attending classes, or working from a coffee shop. The combination of powerful performance, extensive storage, and built-in productivity tools makes this laptop a reliable companion for both work and entertainment. With the HP flagship 14-inch, you don't just get a laptop, you get a complete package for modern computing needs. Next, we have Lenovo IdeaPad 1 Student Laptop. The Lenovo IdeaPad 1 Student Laptop is designed to deliver high performance and versatility for students and professionals alike. Powered by an Intel dual-core processor and 20 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop handles multitasking with ease, allowing you to run multiple applications, browse the web, and work on assignments or projects without slowdowns. Its massive 1 terabyte SSD combined with 128 gigabytes eMMC provides lightning-fast storage and quick access to your files, while the 15.6-inch FHD display ensures crisp visuals and vibrant colors for studying, streaming, or creative work. With Windows 11 Home pre-installed, the laptop offers a modern, user-friendly interface that's perfect for productivity and entertainment. This Lenovo IdeaPad also comes with 1 year of Microsoft Office 365, giving you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more, making it ideal for schoolwork and professional tasks. Connectivity features like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, and an SD card reader make it easy to stay connected and transfer files quickly, while the built-in webcam is perfect for online classes and virtual meetings. Sleek, durable, and portable, the gray finish adds a professional touch, making it an excellent choice for students who need a reliable device for both learning and leisure. With its combination of speed, storage, and features, the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 is a complete package for modern computing needs. Last, we have HP 14-inch ultra-light laptop for student. The HP 14-inch ultra-light laptop is the perfect companion for students and home users who need a reliable, portable, and efficient device. Powered by an Intel quad-core and 4120 processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop handles everyday tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and online learning smoothly. Its 128 gigabyte storage, split between 64 gigabytes internal and 64 gigabytes SD card, provides ample space for assignments, photos, and media, while Windows 11 Home in S mode ensures a secure and user-friendly experience. The 11-hour-long battery life means you can work, study, or stream content all day without worrying about running out of power, making it ideal for students moving between classes or anyone working from home. Designed with portability and convenience in mind, the HP 14-inch ultra-light laptop features a built-in webcam for video calls, Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless online access, and 1 year Office 365 subscription, giving you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other essential productivity tools. Its sleek snow-white design not only looks modern but is also lightweight, making it easy to carry in a backpack or a laptop bag. With its combination of efficient performance, long-lasting battery, and essential features, this laptop is a versatile device that meets the demands of students and home users alike.